When engine temperature matters, guessing is not an option. An inaccurate gauge can cause unnecessary stress or, worse, hide a real overheating problem until it is too late. This race-proven mechanical temperature gauge is designed for drivers who demand precise readings, dependable performance, and a straightforward installation, whether on the street or at the track. Built with a durable mechanical movement, this gauge delivers trusted accuracy without relying on your vehicle's electrical system. Because it operates mechanically, it is compatible with virtually every street car, classic vehicle, hot rod, or race car, making it an ideal choice for both vintage builds and modern performance applications. Even in harsh environments with vibration, heat, or constant use, the mechanical design maintains accuracy and long-term reliability. Visibility is another major advantage. The easy-to-read silver dial paired with a high-contrast orange pointer allows you to check engine temperature at a glance. Traditional incandescent lighting illuminates evenly around the perimeter of the dial, ensuring clear visibility during night driving or low light conditions. Included red and green bulb covers allow you to customize the lighting to match your interior or racing setup. Installation is simple and well supported. The complete gauge kit includes a 1/2-inch NPT adapter, bulb and socket assembly, mounting hardware, and detailed instructions, making it accessible even for enthusiasts handling their own installs. Many users report confidence in their readings immediately after installation, especially when replacing older or inaccurate aftermarket gauges. This lightweight, competition-proven gauge has earned its reputation by delivering spot-on accuracy where it counts most. If you want reliable engine temperature monitoring without electrical complexity, this mechanical gauge is a smart and proven upgrade. Click the link in the video description to purchase, and subscribe to the channel to explore more trusted performance parts and automotive upgrades.